Hello guys, this is the Pureit Water dispenser. I think they are being sold right now by Ramtons, and I have had it for a really long time. I wanted to change the germ kill kit because it was worn out, like it wasn't working, and the dispenser started leaking as an indicator just to tell me that it was bad. So you see the red dot that looks like an eye. Once it becomes red, it means that the germ kill is dead and it needs a replacement. And so I went to the Ramton's website, just plugged above, and I bought the germ tool kit. The kit is 4,200 shillings, but it purifies up to 3,000 liters of water, and for an average family that will take you for almost 2 years. So I think it's a good deal, and then you're sure of the water you're taking. So these are the parts that you take out when you are replacing the germ tool kit, and this is the indicator that shows you that the dispenser needs a replacement. Some parts like this one, I was not able to remove it. I think it's permanently fixed, and then the other parts is here, and you'll just follow the video and you'll see all the parts that need to be removed and how to replace them. So what I did not capture in this video, after disassembling the dispenser, I washed all the parts that are washable. I just went ahead, actually it's the whole thing. I went ahead and washed it and rinsed it, and once it was clean, it was now good to go and to replace the parts. It's also recommended that once you replace the parts, you are supposed to pour out water, to pour into it water, and pour out like 3 times, like just filter the water and pour it, filter another one and pour it. So this is what we have after disassembling, and everything here I think is washed and dried, and just follow the rest of the video and you will see how to do it. So if you are new on this channel, please like, share, and consider to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for clicking on this video, and just leave a comment below and tell me what type of filter that you're using. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of the video as I unbox this germ tool kit and you see everything that is inside. Thank you so much, and please stay to the end of the video.